1 mop. And the new clay pot.
Some fresh milk.
Then for Archie and Sia, shall we buy them gifts?
Uta, aren't you getting ready?
Why Tata we celebrate the New Year the same way every year? And can't we make a new tradition this year?
So what's on your mind,
Amma, I just read that over 70 children have lost their parents in the recent cyclone. Can't we help them? Couldn't that be our new way to celebrate?
The cyclone Ditwa has caused a devastating impact, with damages exceeding 4,000 million United States dollars and over 1 million lives disrupted. In this moment of immense need, you have the power to make a profound difference. Your generous support can be the strength that helps them rebuild. Extend your compassion today through the Rebuilding Sri Lanka Fund at www.donate.gov.lk.
To celebrate the New Year 2026 in a new way, let us shower our love on our dear ones who have been affected by adversity.